And like I told you, this is the most easiest technique ever. Just like this. Then if you want to go extra mile, I've got this brush. As you can see, it's flat brush here. Then you can tape a bit of your powder, just like what I'm doing. Then you can clean a bit off so that it will not mess in your lipstick. So we just want to clean our edges. The best way of using the brush, you just need to make sure that you are comfortable. Then you rub, you tape the excess off, then you come to shape. Then you go again. You see, this happens when you forget to tape it off, to tape the powder off like what I do. It will just come bulky on the edge, but we want a natural look. So we need to spread it here. Yeah, perfect. Then we need to go to another side. You don't have to be perfect, but you need to just snatch the look. So the best way of holding your brush, you just need to make sure that you are comfortable with it. So when cleaning the corners of your lips, you don't need to open. No, just close it. So our lip is done. This is the simple, just simple lipstick technique. You don't need a lot of things. So just know that first of all, you use the lip balm, lip treatment, just to protect your lips and to moisturize your lips. Trust me, the whole day you'll be fine. Your lips will be juicy and moisturized. Then after moisturizing, then you go with this, or you can use your lip liner, any color. Brown is the best if you want to go natural. Then you just go with your lip balm, with your lip gloss to glow like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for supporting me. So if you are interested, if you love this, or you benefited one or two things, don't forget to like my video, share and comment, subscribe to my channel. Love you. See you guys. Good night.